In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disallow a wall join and keep a wall end independent. This quick technique is perfect when you need precise control over how walls meet, especially at corners, intersections, or when you're intentionally leaving a gap. By disallowing a join at one end, you stop the software from automatically cleaning up or merging that end with neighboring walls, giving you clear, predictable results during layout and adjustments. Start by clicking on the wall you want to control. Once it's selected, you'll see grips appear at each end of the wall. Look specifically for the small blue square at the end you want to modify. That square represents the wall's end grip, and it's the control point we'll use for this operation. Make sure the wall is clearly highlighted so you know you're working on the correct element. Move your cursor directly over that blue end grip and right-click on it. It's important to right-click on the grip itself, not just anywhere near the end of the wall. Right-clicking the grip opens a context menu tied to that exact endpoint, which ensures the change applies only where you intend it. In the context menu, choose Disallow Join. This tells the software not to automatically connect or clean up that wall end with any other walls it encounters. Only the end you clicked is affected. The other end of the wall will continue to behave normally. This selective control is useful when one end needs to remain free, while the opposite end can still participate in standard joins. With Disallow Join applied, you can now move or adjust the wall confidently. Drag that wall end near another wall and notice it won't snap together or heel into a corner. The end remains independent, allowing you to line it up, offset it, or create a deliberate separation without the software merging the geometry. You'll often see a small visual break or a clear uncapped end that indicates it is no longer participating in automatic joins. If things don't look right, double check that you selected the correct wall and right-clicked directly on the blue end grip before choosing the option. Also remember that only the specific end you modified is disallowed from joining, so if you're adjusting the opposite side, you'll need to work from that end's grip as well. And that's it. By selecting the wall, right-clicking the end grip, choosing Disallow Join, and then moving or adjusting the wall, you gain precise control over how that endpoint behaves, helping you maintain clean, intentional layouts without unwanted automatic